Hello, how's it going? I'm actually in the middle of filming the bodywork video, or part of it, for the S-10, and I'm waiting for some stuff to dry, and I actually had an idea for another video. Let me show you. The mirrors right here, kind of looking not so great, and I thought maybe I could take the mirrors off and sand them down, clean them up, and paint them kind of the same color as the Ranger Grille, because I still have some leftover paint. So let's get those off there. We'll get them on the workbench, clean them up, and then maybe we can get them painted. Yeah, they are not looking so hot, but I assume they're OG, like original to the pickup. And even if you like just regularly clean them, they don't brighten up. They stay faded and just awful looking. The passenger side really doesn't look a whole lot better. So I think it's just 3 torques and then they'll come right off. Okay, yeah, that came off super easy. It was just 3 T30 torques on each side. So I'm just going to spray them with some soapy water, wipe them down, and then I'm just going to hit them with some super light, like 220 grit sandpaper. Maybe I should have just sprayed them down outside. At least my workbench is nice and clean now. Okay, and I'm just gonna give them like a light little scuffing. Nothing crazy. Okay. Wipe these down again just to kind of get the dust off. This time I'm just going to spray the paper towel instead of making a huge mess. Does this gasket come loose? Should be fine. Maybe we'll put some tape over that because the inside really doesn't matter, but I don't really want to get paint all over the little gasket. Okay. Thought I had paint, or not paint, tape in here. Maybe I said it. No. It's right here. Okay, so you see how there's like bits of tape like hanging over the edge? I'm gonna get like a tiny little flathead screwdriver and just kind of poke those in around the edges of the mirror. Okay, those should be good. I'm just gonna put some tape over those gaskets. Just because I still want them to seal on there fine. I don't know if it's even actually gonna make a difference, but make me feel better. Okay, all taped up. So I'm gonna bring my table outside, set that up, put some cardboard on it, and then we'll do some painting. Okay, so they sat for a little while, and they really didn't turn out too bad. You can see like all the pitting and stuff, so maybe we'll go back and redo them later. But I mean, they look better than they did. But I'm pretty sure if we put some of that high fill primer on this, it would fill in a lot of those pits. And then we could put more paint, more black on it. I was just using some leftover stuff that I had, just to make it look better for now. Okay, it is now the next day, and we're gonna get the mirrors put back on. I had to take a break, and wasn't able to get them put back on yesterday, but we'll get them put back on now and see what they look like. Hopefully they look a little bit better. The funny thing is I'm just going to take them right back off because I'm not done doing body work, so I don't want to get them all dusty and dirty. Okay, so they're really not too bad, like 10 footers. Once you get a little bit closer, you can see all the pits and stuff on them. But yeah, from a distance they don't look too bad. And I mean, it was free, leftover paint, you know. Like I said, we can always go back and redo it later if we really want to. And for free leftover paint, I don't think they turned out too bad. It matches this a little bit better. Alright, that's it for that. I'm going to keep working on the body work. Here's kind of like a little sneak peek. Hopefully I can get the driver's side done, and then that'll be part 1. And then part 2, and then I'm going to do the hood and the tailgate for part 3. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.